Okay, here's the 96 Defender running. It's about up to temperature, I'm sure. It's the original color of the car. You can picture it with military police livery on it. Really solid example. No rust on this one. And this is what kind of makes it special. That's a fuel-injected 2-liter double overhead cam gasoline engine and a Defender. Who'd have figured? Runs like a top. Also contacted a few Defender specialists that are familiar with it. Said parts are readily available. Lots of room if you want to put a compressor down there, but that's next owner's job. Before this thing was brought to Texas about a year ago from Italy, it was completely serviced, everything gone through, timing belt, everything, brakes. This car needs nothing. It is ready to enjoy. Really nice car. All the VIN tags match the title, the tags, and the frame serial number. There's no issue about some hacked up gray market Defender. Beautiful car, I love it.